Good morning. My name is Gavin Scott Miller. I'm the Director of Operations with Zoë Facility Services. I was just going to quickly share with you guys a little bit about how we used to use Sweat back in the day, some of the lessons we learned, and why we're back as a partner with them again from here on out. As we got a new industries and new segments of our business, we opened up new services that we offered. We assumed that other platforms would bring us more flexibility and the ability to bring specific requirements for those divisions all under separate platforms. But ultimately what this did is it segmented our data, it caused it to be unusable, and just really hurt our operation to be able to actually see the data or do anything with it. We also assumed that we were going to save money on this route. You know, you have a lot of freeware softwares out there. We made a lot of Google Drive documents, a lot of Google Forms and spreadsheets. Again, the same problem happens. You've segmented your data and now you can't really do anything with it. And you have to remember, oh yeah, I had that one spreadsheet hanging out that told me this one piece of information. We also had low trained management in the software, so they didn't actually understand the benefits that they would be getting from using Swept on a daily basis, having all your data in one platform like this. So ultimately, when I returned to Zoë, we chose to go back to Swept again, and it's been an amazing experience so far. The reasons we chose to come back, first and foremost, KPIs and metrics, those key performance indicators for our team. If you don't have a way to track them, then those metrics don't mean anything. You're not going to have, if you have it all segmented and across different platforms, you'll never speak about it. It'll never be a part of your conversation. Those metrics really do help us learn to get better and help us take data and make action upon it. The other reason is job costing. So it's awesome. QuickBooks can integrate directly with Swept, and you can take all that data and tell you if your jobs are profitable or if you're actually losing money. Multiple times we find out, customer has some new complaints or some new specific requests that's actually costing your company money. You're actually paying to do that job. Job costing with assistance of Swept through QuickBooks is exactly one of the reasons that we chose to come back. Finally, inspections. Those are amazing. All that kind of metrics you can get from inspections and checklists. Those are incredible. It helps you actually maintain your service delivery to your clients. And then return on investment. So we thought we were going to have cheaper options, have Google Drive here and a spreadsheet there. Ultimately, what we found is we were spending money on our management and our time that Swept is just saving us. Swept has been great. We're so excited to be back, and we hope you join them as well.